Between Delta 9, hemp, and cannabis, lots of lingo surrounding marijuana is thrown around without clear definitions. New at 5:30, Keneisha Deas at our sister station in Huntsville breaks down the differences between products as the Commonwealth navigates its own transition into retail sales.
Legal status of marijuana has been a hot issue for decades now. Not all of us are familiar with the language tied to the topic. Legislators and opponents alike throw around terms like Delta, THC, and hemp as if we all know precisely what they mean. Isn't it all just marijuana? We verify. Our sources are Jennifer Boozer-Stewart with the Alabama Cannabis Coalition and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. According to the FDA, cannabis sativa L is a plant that contains more than 80 different naturally occurring compounds called cannabinoids. Two well-known cannabinoids are CBD and THC. THC is the psychoactive compound in cannabis that produces a high. There are several types of THC in the plant, but raw plants are high in THCA, which converts into Delta 9 THC with the application of heat. CBD is non-psychoactive and does not cause intoxication. CBD primarily interacts with CB2 receptors, which are more involved in regulating pain and inflammation. Cannabis plants are grown to produce varying concentrations of these cannabinoids. Delta 8, 9, 10, and THCA are all types of THC cannabinoids or products of the cannabis plant. Stewart with the Alabama Cannabis Coalition tells us that hemp is a legal term that means the plant meets the federal legal limit of 0.3% Delta 9 THC by dry weight. In other words, it has very little that would alter your mood. Marijuana is also a legal term, meaning it exceeds the federal limit and contains more than 0.3% Delta 9 THC. Delta 9 THC by dry weight is the primary distinguishing difference between hemp and marijuana. So we can confirm that no, not all cannabis products are the same.